All right, now we're ready to play our songs with the C and G. Let's go ahead and just go through all of them right in a row and see how they go. So we're going to start with the 10 Little Indians tune. I don't sing the 10 Little Indians song, but there are a lot of different other words we can set to that same tune. So let's start with Snowflakes, which is a great one to use in the wintertime. So starting on that C, 1 little, 2 little, 3 little snowflakes. Switch to your G. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little snowflakes. Back to the C. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little snowflakes. 10 snowflakes on the ground. A little faster with more strumming. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little snowflakes. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little snowflakes. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little snowflakes. 10 snowflakes on the ground. We can also sing a much more complicated song with that. Let's try the lift 1 foot and then the other. Lift 1 foot and then the other. Lift 1 foot, then the other. Lift them both together. Or where, oh, where are baby's fingers? Where, oh, where are baby's toes? Where is baby's belly button? Round and round it goes. Now, C and G, I actually don't think is the perfect key for this song. I like it better in other keys, but since we're learning C and G songs, you can know that that works with those chords. Let's go ahead and do Open Shut Them. Whew, this is a lot of trading back and forth, so it's challenging, and you're probably gonna have to work on this several times to get there, okay? Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little tap, tap, tap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, crawl them. Creep them, crawl them. Right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open up your little mouth, but do not let them in. And then ring around the Rosie. Ring around the Rosie, a pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Cows are in the meadow, eating buttercups. Thunder, lightning, we all stand up. Okay, we can also do Barney's cleanup song with C's and G's.